I'm Kelly, and I am here today to have a treatment of Dysport done. I've got those angry looks going on again, and I want to take care of that, and I have found that Dysport seems to take care of it, and it takes care of it very quickly, and for myself it seems to last a little longer. So I need to get the angry brow and the wrinkle crinkles on the side. I love Juvly. It is so relaxing. They are so professional and they are open. There's no hidden costs. Everybody just seems to work together as a team, and I feel very comfortable here, and they're very knowledgeable about their product.
Hi, I'm Jessye. I'm one of the physician assistants here at Juvly. Today we are treating the lovely Kelly. We're going to be doing some Dysport into her glabella, her frontalis, and her crow's feet. So you'll kind of watch us do that. We have different patterns that we'll use depending on the amount of lift that they're trying to achieve with the brows specifically. So when treating the face, there's lots of different areas that we can use in terms of relaxing the muscles. The three most common areas that I see are the glabella, which commonly are known as the 11s, the frontalis for your forehead lines, and then we'll treat around the crow's feet as well. Other places that you can treat the bunny lines, a lot of people will do Botox or Dysport into the chin as well to create some relaxation there. You can also treat for a downward smile. And then in terms of contouring the face, you can also do injections into the masseter to help kind of atrophy that muscle and slim the face. No real significant downtime. We'll definitely tell you right after your treatment to avoid any heavy pressure to the area, and then no working out for about 24 hours. You will see as soon as we start to inject her, it's gonna look like she has little mosquito bites, and that's just where the product is sitting superficially under the skin. That usually dissipates in about 5 to 10 minutes.
Just little pinches, little pokes. Nothing unbearable.
Okay, Kelly, I'm gonna have you go ahead and raise those eyebrows for me. And relax. Dysport's really great. Kicks in usually in about 3 to 5 days and tends to last about a month longer than Botox. So Botox, the average is about 3 months. With Dysport, most people tend to get closer to 4.
It was a very easy experience. It was very relaxing. I felt very comfortable. There was some mild pokes, but no pain, and just looking forward to the result.